Alright guys, here it is, my new car. Let's open it. Do you know what it is yet? And here it is. Well, you might think, wait a minute, this is not a new car. This is a car that I already have. Anyway, I decided to buy this because I want some spares, and after looking at the cost, I thought buying a whole new car is actually cheaper, especially when it's on discount. I bought it once again from Banggood, and I paid only 30 euros using the points that I collected for additional discount. You can do this in many online shops too. I also want to know the difference between this car and the car that I bought 2 years ago, because there are some changes whenever new batch comes out. And I believe this is the 3rd generation of this car. So the question is, what am I going to do with this car? What I intend to do is I will show you how to inspect and improve this car to get the most out of it with little to no money. This is just a quick update to let you know that I'm not going anywhere. I just don't have time to make more videos yet. See you again in my next update. Bye!